Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be opening 8 packs of the Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Hopefully I pull some good pulls, and if you see anything that you want to make an offer on, please feel free to comment below. Let's get started. Hopefully they're not too slippery. I'll just name out the rares. I got a rare battle boxer lady and a ultra number C105 battle boxer. So an ultra. I've never seen these monsters before. Let's see, second pack. It's XYC Resign, just a rare on that one. Third pack. Chaos Exceeds Dark Fairies Here Girl and a super. Fire Formation Gaiku. Fourth pack. Hoping to get that Draco guy. Ice Beast Frozen. Just a rare in that one. Go Gias and a super Evil Swarm Carry On. Yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna have to look it up. There's my secret. I got the Draco. Look at that. Oh yeah. Come on, let's get one more secret out of these packs. Look at that. Another secret. Torrential Reborn. Hopefully that's a good one. Wow, 2 secrets. Let's keep going with these secrets. No, we got a super. At least that's good. Wow, out of 8 packs I got 3 supers, 2 secrets, and an ultra. That's pretty good. Now, like, once again, if you something here you want to make an offer on, feel free to comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.